Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see fix Windows Security Center service is missing and it can't be get turned on. Let's fix that guys. Windows security problem, it will get easily to fix it guys. You want to check my video description, two comments is there. One is service link and another one is registry link. You want to download this two of these. Open the drive folder and download like this and go to show all files. Click show in folders and close out of here. And you want to extract this to files. One is service folder, another one is registry. You want to install registry, double click on it and you want to run it. Click yes. If you want to continue, click yes, click OK. And another one thing is you want to, the easy way I tell you, drag this file to desktop and you want to go to this PC and go to local disk C and go to Windows and scroll down guys, system 32. If you are using 32-bit, go on this PC and properties. If I am using 64-bit, system type 64-bit. If you are 32-bit, go and drag and put here. I am using 64, that's why I SYSWRPWPDTLOCRRC. Double click on it and you want to drag the file to inside of this and you want to continue. And now go to service, search menu and type services, run as administrator, type here yes, security center, double click on it and here already automatic running guys. This problem is solved guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my video.